Namaste, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Rizana and today I'm going to show you how to do this look. And we are doing this look in less than 10 minutes or maybe about 10 minutes, that's it. I have heard from my friends, my families saying that they don't have time in the morning to get ready. But I hope this video will help you to get ready in the morning. You need just about 10 minutes and you can choose what steps you want to do and what you don't want. But this is how I want my makeup to look in a very busy day where I hardly have time to get ready. So 10 minutes people, let's do it. So first of all, we're gonna apply the primer. This is the primer by Smashbox. I'm gonna take a little bit and then apply it, especially focusing on our T-zone area. And then rest we're gonna apply it on our face. So this is the first step. So once we are done, we are going to apply a foundation or a BB cream. Today I'm going to apply a BB cream by Missha. I'm going to take it back of my hands. Then I'm going to take a foundation brush and just apply it. I think for an everyday look, I have seen many people not wanting to apply foundation, so BB cream might be a great option instead of a foundation. Make sure you blend it very well. Then I'm going to not skip the concealer part because I have many dark spots around my chin area mainly. So let's quickly blend that. I'm gonna apply the same concealer also on my eyes because it's gonna act like a base for my eye makeup. I'm going to quickly fix my makeup using a loose powder. Since it's going to be an all-day makeup, we need to fix it really properly because we're going to also apply mask, and mask can really remove the makeup. Then I'm going to use a natural pinky blush. I'm going to do my brows. I'm done with my brows. Now I'm going to do my eyes. So you can take any your natural brown shades like this. I'm using this Morphe palette. I'm going to just use a brown shade like this one. I'm going to apply it on the whole eyes, like on my crease as well as on my lid. I'm going to do the same on both the eyes. I'm going to also apply it under my eye. Okay, once this is done, my eyes is almost done. Now I'm going to apply my highlighter. Okay, I'm going to apply my highlighter on the high points of my cheekbone, because I think a glowy skin will look very nice on everyday basis. And I'm going to apply the same highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. Also, I'm going to just apply it in this first 1/3 of my eyelid. That will kind of brighten up my eyes. Also on my lip. Don't forget your setting spray, because you want your makeup to hold on for longer time. Apply this bright lipstick. I have a very minimal eye makeup going on, and a bright lipstick will brighten up the whole face. Since we are using mask, most of us are not wearing any lipstick, but this lipstick is very transfer proof. So lastly, we will apply mascara. I almost forgot about it. Yeah, as you can see, this completes my look. It's just like a very, very basic thing that you can do in the morning. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste. Let's get ready. Let's feel fresh. Let's take the day as it comes. Thank you. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. Bye-bye.